Welcome to day 18 of the Self-Love Meditation Challenge. Loving yourself deeply and unconditionally is accepting and allowing yourself to express yourself fully in every single shape or form that your heart desires. Being totally you, it's an art. Be it dancing, singing, writing, painting, acting, sculpting, cooking, making music, all those modalities of expressing yourself are simply the language in which you can be authentically you. Allowing yourself to express yourself in the language of your choice signals your brain that you put yourself first and you respect your choices. There is no right or wrong. There's simply observing what language does resonate with you most and speaking that language. What was it that you did so naturally while you were a child and everyone admired you for? Something that you do for hours and hours at end. Reconnect with that one or few things, because that specific language will make you feel alive. When you allow yourself to speak that language, you simply let go. You let go of the masks, you let go of the pretense, and you accept yourself for being you. If you lost connection to your language for a few years, do not worry. Allow yourself to get back in time and connect to the moment where you were feeling fully alive. Were you dancing? Were you singing? Were you telling jokes? Connect to that language, to your unique way of expressing yourself, and get curious about it. Get curious if it still brings you alive. Connecting with yourself is allowing yourself to express yourself fully. As we go deeper into the meditation today, keep this thought in your mind. I feel alive and I fully express myself. I feel alive and I fully express myself. As you slowly come back to the space you're in, allow your body to connect with your language first. If it's dancing, move your shoulders slightly side to side. If it's singing, allow yourself to hear your favorite tune in your mind. If it's painting, allow your fingers to imitate the brush on the canvas. Whatever it is, allow your body to feel that experience. As you go with your day to day, get curious. Where can you plug in your language within your day? Allow your heart to sing, to paint, to dance, to cook. Allow yourself to express yourself fully. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.